stop scrolling, because what you're about to see on your screen looks insanely beautiful, highly professional, and honestly, hard to believe it was made using just one powerful AI tool. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. So don't skip this video, because what's coming next can completely change your content game. First of all, let me show you a very powerful niche. What you're seeing right now is a channel called The Painful Explainer. And right now, this channel is making around $12,000 per month. Yes, around $12,000 monthly. And the crazy part, it only has around 98.5 thousand subscribers. And that too on just 122 videos, which is honestly insane growth. Now, if we talk about views, this channel gained massive views and subscribers in just 1 month, and it uploads around 2 videos per week. Now, based on this, I've already prepared something very powerful for you, a master, all in one prompt. And this is not just any prompt. This is one of the most powerful prompts you'll ever use inside this prompt. I've added everything. Everything is already built inside. Now, what you need to do is simple. Go to the link in the description copy, the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. That's it. And once you do that, you'll see Scene 1 with a highly detailed image prompt, then a detailed video prompt, and then a powerful voiceover. And the best part, it will generate all scenes, one by one. Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way to Scene 10. Everything fully detailed. The tool we're going to use today is very simple to access. Just open Google or any browser and search. For Domo AI, once you search for Domo AI, you'll see the first website, Domo AI. App, simply click on it and log in using your Google account or any login method you prefer. And yes, you'll also find the link in the description, so you can access it directly from there. Now, once you log in, Domo AI also gives you free credits, around 15 credits, which you can use to generate images and videos. Now let me quickly show you the interface here. You'll find AI video, AI image, and talking avatar. And today, our main focus will be on these 3 sections. And there are many more powerful features inside Domo AI, which I'll explain later, especially how you can use them professionally. And one more important thing, this tool supports unlimited generation, meaning if you choose any plan, you can generate unlimited videos without worrying about credits. So first, what you need to do is go to the AI image section, because we will start by generating images. Here you'll see anime-style options. So if you want to create anime-style content, you can simply select any anime model you like and generate images using your prompt. You also get image editing options and different models like ChatGPT image, which is recently launched and very powerful. And below that, you'll find nano banana models as well. So overall, you get multiple powerful tools in one place. Now what I do is I go to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for Scene 1. Then I come back to Domo AI, paste the prompt here, and then you can select resolution, even up to 4K, or keep it default, and then simply click on Generate. Also, make sure to keep the ratio 16:9 and select the Nano Banana 2 model. Then click on Generate, and your first image generation will start within a few moments. Your image will be ready. Now, as you can see, the first image is generated exactly in the style we wanted. Just like the reference channel I showed earlier, it looks very powerful, very engaging, and highly professional. The illustration style matches perfectly, and the overall quality is impressive. Now simply download the image and move to the next one. Again, go to ChatGPT, copy the next scene, prompt, come back, paste. It generate and repeat the same process. This is how you generate all images one by one. Just copy-paste, generate, and move forward. And if any image doesn't look perfect, you can simply click on Regenerate, and it will generate a better version for you. As you can see, some images are perfect, while some may need regeneration. So always download only the best ones and skip the weak ones. This will give you better final results. Now, once all your images are ready, come back and click on the video section. Here you'll find options like video to video, text to video, image to video, and talking avatar. So first we will use image to video. Upload your first image. Then go to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt for that scene, come back and paste it here. Now, select the model, choose the advanced model like V2, 4.1, or faster version. Both are very powerful. Then select duration up to 10 seconds and keep ratio 16:9 and click Generate. Now your video generation will start, and within 1 to 2 minutes you'll get a fully animated professional video. Now look at this result. This looks absolutely cinematic. The camera movement, the character, lip sync, turning motion, everything looks natural and high quality. If the duration was longer, it could look even more professional. Simply download the video and repeat the same process for the next scene's upload. Next image copy, next prompt. Paste, select settings and generate. As you continue this process one by one, all your scenes will turn into videos. Now as you can see, all the videos are generated, camera movements are smooth, the character reactions are accurate, the background motion looks natural, and everything feels very professional. Even when the character reacts to a fast-moving car or drops the phone, the scene looks realistic and engaging. Some scenes may vary slightly, but overall, the results are very strong and professional. So in my opinion, this is an all-in-one powerful AI tool, one of the best tools available right now. It generates exactly the type of content we needed. So guys, now let's talk about the next feature, which is video to video. And this is a very powerful AI feature inside this tool. So what you need to do is simply click on video to video. And once you open it, just upload any video. For example, I'm uploading the first video that we generated earlier. Now here you'll see multiple styles available, like 2D illustration, style, sketch, style, Japanese, anime, style, 3D, cartoon style, and many more. So basically, you can convert any simple video into different styles. You can turn a normal video into anime. Now, for example, I select Japanese, anime style. And then in the prompt, I simply write, convert this into anime style video. Then I match the duration with my original video, which is around 5 seconds. So I keep it the same, and then set the ratio to 16:9, and click on Generate. Now the video generation will start, and within 1 to 2 minutes, your converted video will be ready. So guys, now, here is the result. And just look at this, how perfectly it converted. A simple illustration. Video into Japanese anime style. Everything looks clean, smooth, and very well styled. Honestly, this feature is super powerful, and you can use it to convert any type of video into a completely different visual style. And move to the next step, which is one of the most important parts. Talking avatar, and this is a major focus today. So open the talking avatar section, and here you'll see options like image and audio input, and also text-to-speech option. Now what you need to do is first upload your avatar image, whatever character you want to animate, then go to text-to-speech and paste your voiceover script. Here after that, go to voice selection and choose a voice according to your character. If your character is male, choose a male voice. If female, then select female. Whichever fits best, then simply click on Generate, and within 5 to 6 seconds, your professional voiceover will be ready. You can download it and then come back. Now go to the audio section and upload that generated voiceover. Next comes the prompt. You can add any prompt here, even the same scene, prompt, or character description. I paste it here, and then click Generate. To now, your talking avatar video will start generating, and within a short time, it will be ready. And let me tell you, this feature has been improved a lot. Now it looks much more realistic. It includes natural voice models, better motion control, emotions like hopeful, angry whispering, and even multi-voice conversation options, which are great for storytelling and character scenes. Now let's preview the result and look at this.
DomoAI is a very powerful AI tool that can generate images, videos, and even talking avatars just like me. You can turn your ideas into content in
How perfectly the character is lip-syncing, the facial expressions, the emotions. Everything looks natural, almost like a real human. This is extremely powerful. So guys, today you've seen how we used DomoAI to generate videos. And honestly, the results are extremely powerful. It created highly professional videos with very minimal effort. And just like this, you can also use this tool to generate commercial ads and start earning from it. Now, if we talk about pricing plans, DomoAI offers 3 plans, Basic, Standard, and Pro, and you can choose any plan according to your needs, but honestly, you don't even need to upgrade immediately. Because even in Standard and Pro plans, you get a Relax Mode option. And with Relax Mode, you can generate unlimited videos and images without worrying about credits, so you can create as much content as you want without any limits. So guys, today you've seen how Domo AI can generate images, videos, and even talking avatars in a very professional way. The link is in the description. Go check it out and start using it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more powerful content like this.